Good morning, all. Last year, when I became chairman of the subcommittee, I encouraged my colleagues to join me in an effort to make Made in America matter again. Since then, we've had hearings, forums, and some really great discussions on ways to keep American jobs and create new American jobs. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and to do our job, pass legislation which will help our economy to grow and prosper in the years ahead. The chair now recognizes herself for an opening statement. Throughout our nation's long history, a growing and robust manufacturing sector has helped to make America great. It's been a driving force in our economy since the Industrial Revolution. But as our nation has moved from the atomic age to the space age to the information age, manufacturing has not kept up, losing nearly 6 million American jobs since the beginning of the 21st century. Aging, rusting, and abandoned factories litter the U.S. landscape. Statistics show the manufacturing sector was the hardest hit in terms of job losses during the Great Recession. While manufacturing accounts for just a tenth of our nation's jobs, manufacturing suffered a third of our nation's job losses. We have a chance now to reverse this trend, and I applaud the hard work of Mr. Lipinski and Mr. Kinzinger in developing a bipartisan plan for improving manufacturing in the United States. The American Manufacturing Competitiveness Act of 2012, H.R. 5865, calls for two presidential reports to Congress outlining a strategy for promoting growth, sustainability, and competitiveness in the manufacturing sector. The reports are due in April 2014 and in 2018. The Act establishes the American Manufacturing Competitiveness Board consisting of 15 members, 5 from the public sector, including 2 governors, and 10 from the private sector. The 5 public appointments are made by the President, while the 10 private sector members are appointed by the House and Senate. The board would be co-chaired by the Secretary of Commerce and one of the private sector members. The duties of the board are 1, to advise the President and Congress on manufacturing issues, 2, conduct a rigorous analysis of the manufacturing sector, and 3, develop a national competitiveness strategy which would be made available for public comment and submitted to the President. The board will then develop and publish for public comment a draft manufacturing strategy based on its analysis and any other information the board determines is appropriate. This strategy will include short-term and long-term goals for improving the competitiveness of U.S. manufacturing, as well as recommendations for action.